Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana Sharma before you. Today we will be learning few problems in probability. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe so that you can learn from my further videos. Also, please like and share with your friends and family. So let's start with our today's class.
So the main models which we will be covering today are depends on a formula called probability. Sum of the probability is always 1. So always remember friends that sum of the probability is always equal to 1. So whenever you have multiple probabilities and you add all of them, you should land up with 1. So this is the main formula we will be using to find that. Many problems are in competitive exams. You will be getting many problems based on this formula. Sangeeta and Reshma play tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. So two people are playing match. These are the two people playing match. One of them will win the match if two are playing the match. So if the probability of this person's winning is some x, then this person's winning will be 1 minus x, because the probability sum is 1. I already explained that this a of x and b of x, if two persons are playing the same match, the probability is 1. So probability of a winning plus probability of b winning is 1. Hence we already know that probability of Sangeeta is 0.62. So probability of Reshma will be 1 minus probability of Sangeeta, which is nothing but, why did we get this? Because we know that probability of Sangeeta plus probability of Reshma is 1. So we can find probability of Reshma as 1 minus 0.62, which is 0.38. So this is the problem, friends. This is very easy to understand. So moving on to the next problem. The next problem is Sangeeta and Reshma are friends. The probability that both will have different birth dates and same birthday. So we'll first start with, we know that there also exists a leap year. So we'll be assuming this as a non-leap year. Here is not a leap year. So this is the most important assumption. If you would have mentioned leap year, we would have taken the days as 366. But since it's not leap year, the total number of days are in year we have 365 days. So for solving the first problem, which is different birth dates, if they have some different birthday, that is, take this as example. These are the two people. She is Sangeeta and she is Reshma. If Sangeeta's birthday is today, Reshma can have her birthday any day other than today. So this is a basic assumption. Based on the problem, we understand this is the basic concept which we need to understand. So what is he asking? He is asking that what is the probability both will have different birthdays. So if someone's birthday is today, the other one shouldn't have birthday on the same date. So how is it possible? We have totally 365 days. Among 365, one day is the day. Let's assume this day it's the birthday of Sangeeta. Sangeeta is having her birthday on this one day. So Reshma can have her birthday on the remaining 364 days. So the probability of having different birthdays is there are totally 364 favorable cases in our case. That is, if we subtract one person's birthday from total year, we will be having other 364 days on which the other person can have his birthday, and total number of days are 365. So the different birthdays probability is 364 by 365. This is from the formula. This is number of favorable outcomes, which are 364 in our case, by total number of outcomes, which are totally, since we are having 365 days, this is the favorable case. So this is the problem in case of different birthdays. But if we want to solve the same problem with saying that they have their birthdays on the same day, that is, if someone's birthday is today, the other one also should have the birthday on that day itself. So this is Sangeeta and this is Reshma. If Sangeeta's birthday is today, then Reshma should also have her birthday on today. So in this case, how can we find the probability? So here the favorable cases are or outcomes, that are there is only a single day on which both should have a birthday. This is our favorable case because we are talking about same birthday. If there is a same birthday, both should have a single day among the 365 days. So total number of days are 365. So our probability of same birthday is 1 by 365, because we have total 365 days, among which only one day is in our favor. We can also solve this problem like, we know that probability is equal to 1, so 1 minus probability of different birthdays, which we found just now. So if the probability of different, we got it as 1 by 1 minus 364 by 365, which lands up by 1 by 365 after doing the LCM. So this is the other way of solving the problem. This is the easiest method among all to solve a particular problem.